Hi everyone. This is a small video I made to show you how how my Sinden LightGun Stock attachment works. So this is what it looks like when it's mounted. You see, it's actually a very sturdy piece. You can basically, it becomes one piece with the gun. And the idea behind this was that I wanted people to be able to use the original Sinden LightGun sights. So you see, you can actually aim by using the original sights. There's no interference. And the other thing that I wanted it to have was a very easy locking and unlocking mechanism. So these two buttons here, one on this side and the one on the opposite side, you just push them with your fingers and swivel, and there you go, you have unlocked it. And it's really a matter of 2 seconds. You want to touch it again, you just slide this in and make it click, and that's it. And you got your gun in one piece. Now, putting this aside, what I wanted to show you is this part here is could be subject to some breaking. I mean, this one I've tested it like a few hundred times, putting it on and taking it off and vice versa, and it's still holding up very, very good. I mean, I can see no sign of whatever. But these little cylinder parts here, and also these thinner faces here and here, these are the parts that are doing the actual movement. So they're the parts that they're the parts force is applied on. For this reason, they will be printable in separate pieces. You just, when you assemble the whole thing, these are separate pieces, so that if any of these breaks, you can just reprint it, but you won't have to reprint for hours the bigger piece they are attached to. So the bigger piece you're going to print is possibly this one. Actually, this is a separate piece. And also these two are pretty big. They are hollow. These and these are hollow, so that you could save some plastic and also some time. So I hope lots of people are going to enjoy this. I must say, I find it very comfortable. You place it in your shoulder and you're good to go. I would like this to go bang now, but it won't. It's a light gun. Oh well, have fun and happy printing.